Josh here with another install video for our newest rear diffuser for the 2019 Plus E210 Toyota Corolla hatch. Today's install is very easy, requiring no drilling whatsoever, and should be able to be completed in under 20 minutes. You will need an 11mm wrench or socket, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a flathead screwdriver, and that's it. First, we are going to remove these two OEM clips under the center of the rear bumper. Next, we are going to install the Z-bracket. The bracket should look like this when installed. Install the upper portion of the bracket to the brackets that are leading to the frame of the car. Repeat on the other side. Now we can install the diffuser. Use the remaining two nuts and bolts that were attached to the Z-bracket and loosely install the center section onto those brackets. We will be making use of the two holes on the inside. We designed this diffuser to have adjustability built in, allowing you to adjust it forward or back for ideal fitment. Tighten the two nuts and bolts once you've reached desired fitment. Now over to the spats. Simply line up the spats with these two holes, insert the remaining nuts and bolts with washers into their holes and tighten. Repeat on the other side. And that's it. It's as easy as that. Feel free to tag us at icyaero across all socials. We can't even say the word socials. Be sure to tag us across all forms of social media at icyaero. We love seeing your cars rocking our parts, so thank you. Appreciate it. Have a good one.